Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. Guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Hello everyone. This video I'm gonna share with you another Dollar Tree DIY home decoration, a budget friendly. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I share most of my deals that I found. Okay guys, stay tuned. Today's videos we're gonna do another DIY. If you are a coffee lovers and you use Keurig, or I mean not only for the coffee holder, Keurig holder, or maybe you can use this one for another things. You're wondering what we're gonna do about this. From a Dollar Tree, this one is from the garden section, the basket, and this is like a margarita from a dollar store. This is so thick. And this is the candle dish from a dollar store, from a Dollar Tree. Candle holder. And if you have kids, I mean this is the optional one because I'm gonna use this one and I like the teapot, or I can use this one, but you will see what I'm gonna be doing with this one. But it does not need to be like buy this one if you want this as a holder. And this the burner cover set. It comes with two. They got a small one right there from a dollar store. So basically $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. $5. I can use my old plate, but I just want to be like a Dollar Tree. I want to do a Dollar Tree DIY. That's why I bought this one. And if you have the old margarita or any wine drink that you can use, you don't need to buy it. And same as this, but this is mine for $5 and it's easy. It's like 5 minutes. All you need to do is get a glue gun and the super glue. And then it will not take a while, but it's up to you if you want to repaint. If you want to paint this, paint. But for sure, I'm going to paint this one as a white. And then I'm just going to leave it like this, like a farmhouse style. I'm not going to paint it. I like that chicken. But this one, because it's not really, I'm going to paint white. All right, stay tuned. All right, so the first thing we have to do, if you want to clean or you want to paint it, just paint it first. But I'm not gonna paint it. And then we're just gonna put in here, right there. This is like him. You can do it that way, but I want to do it this way because this one is give you a balance, here. Then we'll set this one aside. Here. So when you see it put in the middle, we let it dry, and then we'll move on to the next step. The next step, I'm just gonna paint this one. This one I already have it, but I bought it from a Dollar Tree also. Same as this one that I bought it also from a dollar store that I already have it. Let me see if I still have it. I just want to paint it because that's the only one I have. I only have white. I think it's better if I have the gray, but I don't have the gray. So here it is. Make sure it's already glued. Then the next step, we have to put this one in here. We gotta do a super glue also, or you can hot glue, but I'm gonna do the super glue. Make sure you put a lot of super glue, and I also added the hot glue to make sure it's really secured and attached the basket to the glass. Make sure it's inside. Make sure it's inside. I ended up using the super glue and a hot glue to make sure it's really fully secured. And if you can see the lace, the beige lace, I kind of put it there just to cover up all the glue. That's just optional. I painted the edge, as you can see the white paint over there. And then make sure you put a lot of glue, hot glue, super glue, to make sure it's really secured and attached. And at the bottom of the dish candle holder, I also on the bottom of the candle holder I had glue it to make sure it's really attached to the glass. It's up to you if you want to paint the glass also, or even the basket, or even the candle holder. It's really up to you guys. The teapot, I painted it. I think it needed to be like 2 or 3 coats just to cover the pinkish color. And then I had glue on the bottom of the teapot. I put hot glue on the bottom of the teapot to attach to the cover. And then it's really up to you if you still want to paint the cover also, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. And that's it. It's so easy, guys. You can add any decoration if you want to, a bow or ribbon. It's up to you guys. Here we go, my DIY Dollar Tree K-cup holder. And is it cute, right? I'm just gonna use this one for my for K-cups. But like I said earlier, you can add a decoration, a bow, or a name tag for it, but it's all up to you. But I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna paint it, but if you want, you can paint the glass and the basket, but it's really up to you guys. And that's it. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully you like my video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram to see what deals I have. If you're one of the deal hunters or hunting the deals, that's where I share. Put the link down below for my other social media that you can follow me. Don't forget to leave me comments and any suggestion. Feel free to leave comments down below. And don't forget to check out my other videos, my other Dollar Tree DIY videos. And if you have any ideas that you want me to do it as for a DIY, just leave the comments down below and I'll try my best. Don't Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. See you on my next video, guys. It's Ma'am Sky.